Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you one website where we can create a very high quality article submission backlink, and also you guys can able to create a authoritative profile backlink on that website. So in this website we can create a multiple backlink kind of a profile and the article submission. Okay, so this is a website, so why I have picked it. So before that we can research something about that website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 71. And according to Moj, the domain authority is 50 and the spam score is only 4%. And according to SimilarWeb, this website drawing 46.7k monthly visitors and mostly traffic from India, Pakistan, UK, Germany, France. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source from that kind of country, so must you guys have to create your backlink on that website. Okay. So, and another thing, if you guys are new on this channel, so you can hit the subscribe and like button. These things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will do something from your side. So okay, so now we can start. This is the website dashboard and I can provide this website URL over the description section. So from there you guys can navigate easily. So now we can start. Simply you guys can click for the sign in button and you guys can go for the sign up. And there is no option to guys can register by email right now. So now we can go now. So now we can proceed with sign in with Google, and you can click to continue. And after that, you guys can go for your profile section, but there is no any option to guys can edit any details. So you guys can go for setting, and from there you guys can update your brand logo. Then you guys can add your business name and your location, and you guys can optimize your URL, and there you guys can add a description about your company. So you can click for the save button, and once this is a save, then you guys can go for the social, and from there you guys can add your all details. So there you guys can add your website index page or any important page URL, and there you guys can add your all social details. So Twitter, yeah, second one is Twitter, and now we can go to add all social details. Lastly is YouTube. They didn't ask for the Insta, so you guys can click for the save button, and after that you can simply click for your profile, and this is your profile backlink. And I can also show you in incognito, so you can see it's a instant approved backlink, and you can see all the social details. So backlink are no follow. The thing is we have created a quality profile backlink, and now the time is so we can publish articles. So simply you guys can see top of the this video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. Left corner, instead of your profile, there is a right button. You guys can click over there, and simply you guys can update upload your feature image. So before that we can pick one article. So recently I published an article, so let me guess. So this one, how to provide a digital accessible. So this is my article. I wanted to create article backlink, a secondary article backlink for this. So what we can do, so simply we can go for chat GPT. I can open, and I can copy this article. I can let you show you guys how, if you guys are publish any quality article over your site, and how you guys can create a replica backlink. So this is my chat GPT or Cloudy. You guys can use chat GPT or Cloudy AI or Google Gemini. right now this is working on this my system. So summarize this article under 600 words, click enter, and then let me check how this is summarizing. Use proper headings. Use proper headings. So you can see, so this is a summarized, a short article. So providing digital accessible virtual interview. So there you guys can paste your title, and there you guys can add virtual interview, and what we can do, we don't have a banner image, so what we can do, right now I can upload any another images for this, but after that I can go to change, and from there you guys can add your content. So where I have added, yeah, and I can go to paste it over there, and let me check heading 2, heading, we can convert it into heading 3, heading 3, and for conclusion we can keep it as same as 2, and then we have added article. So what we can do, so next we can add a hyperlink. So virtual interviewing, accessible virtual interview. So let me check, is this keyword are available anywhere? So only the single time. So we are using 5 time. So from there I can going to add this web blog URL, and after that virtual interviews, for we can insert index page URL, and after that what we can do, so there is no any another option, editor type, and this is translate article, and all these things are set. So then after that you can click for the publish button once you guys can optimize your all the details. So this is your article landing page URL, and I can also show you in incognito, so it's instead approved backlink or not. So you guys can see this is our article, this is the title, this is a feature image, and this is your detail. But the thing is, this is a no follow backlink, but the thing is this is a quality backlink. There is your profile, so you guys can start driving traffic from this website. Okay, so this is the process for the article submission and the profile backlink creation on that website, techplanet.today. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section, and if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. So from there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request to you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from my side. So okay, bye bye and take care.